Okay, folks, good morning. 1388.50 is our last trade. 1389.25 rather is our last trade on the spoos. We dipped down here. You see the bar here after the market opened. We went from 1393 and a quarter down here to about 1387s, and we're bouncing. This is a nice channel you can see forming right here, bouncing off of yesterday's highs right here at 1387 and a half. So I would suspect some continued strength. The GDP numbers came out less than expected, but bad news is always good news in this market, it appears. And again, I think you can kind of lean long. The pivot happens to coincide with the low on the day of 1380.50. The low is 1380 and a quarter. And there's your pivot down in this neck of the woods. We are at went over R1 this morning, and I would suspect that 1398 level 1400 looms at some point this week, if not today. Today may be a consolidation chop range day. We will see. Oil back down again. It hit as low as 125.92. We took off half of our swing oil trade that we've had on since the 134s. Nice, almost nearly 9-point gainer this morning, and we've taken off half, and we would probably continue to sell this if it got back to 130. We're trading 127.30, so we're watching the crude, and we'll put back on some more of the position as it does continue to grind up, if it does continue to grind up. Folks, that's about it. Gold's got hammered overnight. I was looking at the gold chart. Matter of fact, I was looking at it last night and then again this morning. Very strange action during the off hours in gold lately. Gold actually traded down to 843 last night, took out a whole bunch of stops. It's down 11 as we speak, trading 896.40, but it did tick all the way down to 843.70 this morning. Very strange, again, overnight behavior indeed in gold lately. I don't know how to explain that, what happened, but the last few nights, most of the moves in gold have been happening while the rest of the world, at least in the United States, sleeps. So somebody's out there selling some gold futures contracts overnight. I can't explain it. Somebody with more in tune on a gold bug side could probably give you some conspiracy theories, but the point is, gold has been acting very strangely lately. It's sold off again from about 940 all the way down to 840. So if you look at the extremes on the charts, you can see that it's ticked down almost 100 points over the last few trading days. Folks, that's about it. I don't have a lot otherwise to report to you this morning. Left on the day today, we've got some oil numbers, the weekly oil EIA petroleum status report, 10:30. Tomorrow we've got, tomorrow we've got the GDP preliminary number at 8:30, jobless claims at 8:30, help wanted index, natural gas report, and then Friday another biggie, personal income. But it's a short week. Again, a lot of traders aren't even around. I expect the bend to be, just because we were oversold, to continue to the upside a little bit, grind up some move towards the 1400 level. And let's just see if we can't make some profits up there. Again, I'd love to get short 1400 to 1405 again. So if you can show me those levels sometime this week, I would start swinging into another swing short position, as I do think the spoos are tired here. The euro dollar is down quite a bit this morning. 1/3%, not that bad. And VIX is hanging back down under 20. It did peak under 20 yesterday, trading 1936. Dollar having a little rally this morning, 72.70. I don't know how much longer that's going to bump to the upside. So that's it. We'll be back later, possibly. Have yourself a great morning, and trade smart.